Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a hotel website in Wix for 2025. This walkthrough is perfect if you're a beginner, transitioning from another platform like Shopify, or simply want a clean, professional site that actually converts visitors into guests. First, let's start by going to the Wix website. Once you're there, you want to make your way to the site accessibility page. This is a great moment to ensure that your website will be easily navigable and meet all the accessibility requirements your guests might need, including things like readable fonts, proper color contrast, and keyboard navigation. Accessibility isn't just about compliance. It also improves user experience and helps you reach a wider audience. Ready to dive in? The next step is to click on the Create New Site button. This is your launchpad into building something amazing from the ground up. Think of this as opening a blank storefront, where every design choice supports your brand and booking goals. Let this moment inspire you, because here is where your hotel's digital presence begins to take shape. After you've started creating your new site, you'll want to set it up directly by clicking on Setup Without Chat. By doing this, you're opting for a hands-on experience that lets you have full control over the setup process without the input of their chat-based assistant. This is especially helpful if you like customizing things yourself or already have a clear vision in mind. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each part so you won't miss any important details. Next, it's time to choose the right category for your site. Since we're focused on setting up a platform for your hotel, select the Hotel and Travel category. This introduces elements and design templates that are perfectly suited for a hospitality business, like booking layouts, room galleries, and guest-focused design sections, ensuring your site tells your brand story beautifully and professionally from the start. Once you've chosen your category, click on Continue. This is where the customization fun begins. You'll see a variety of options and tools that will allow you to make the site uniquely yours, from adjusting layouts and colors to adding your logo and brand fonts, similar to how you'd customize a Shopify theme, but with hospitality-specific tools built in. Let's take a closer look at customizing room settings. It's essential to add specific details for each room in your hotel, because this information directly impacts booking decisions. Start with the room names and descriptions, ensuring they are not only accurate, but also enticing. Capture potential guest attention with a well-written description that highlights the charm of each room, such as the view, size, or unique features that set it apart. Adding photos is crucial. Choose high-quality images that showcase your room's best features, including lighting, layout, and amenities, as good visuals can be a deciding factor for guests browsing through your website. Clear, professional images help build trust, just like strong product photos do in an online store. Don't forget to include the price per night, ensuring it reflects your current rates and any seasonal changes, so guests know exactly what to expect. Highlight the amenities available, such as Wi-Fi and breakfast options, to make sure guests know exactly what comforts they can expect during their stay. You can also include extras like parking, pool access, or room service if available. Lastly, detail your cancellation policies transparently so guests are fully informed before making a reservation, which helps reduce disputes and builds confidence in your brand. Now that your rooms are set up, it's time for booking and payments. Make sure you integrate a seamless booking system, which allows guests to easily book a stay directly through your website without friction. This reduces reliance on third-party platforms and keeps more revenue in your pocket. Additionally, set up a secure payment system for transactions, making sure to offer multiple payment options to accommodate all types of guests, including credit cards and digital wallets. This combination will make booking easy and payment secure, providing a positive user experience from start to finish. With these steps completed, your hotel website on Wix will be engaging, informative, and a true reflection of your hotel's unique identity. You'll have a site that not only looks great, but also works as a powerful booking and marketing tool. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!